Me free maku memu yiwaye adiawaye ebru meswo me mama sasuyi iwaye niawaye edoso me free maku memu yiwaye Washemi so mafi patumia me misa suyi iwaye oh he yesue usaye oh he yesue usenasi Maye, mo maye.
Abusia mamemfa enchia kese emaona memawo akwaba nsoso emasa eda ukuada enye nipa bia na yese onyame na ayesa edei ediama wiase afana nyina ne ankrankran bia odifo Isaiah se ope na se wogidia na wogitumwa na do wure hwemua ubedi asase no so eniemapa. There are goods of the land that you must believe. Say ujidi na se opa Isaiah chapter 1. Or say ujidi na se openko ade a asase no ene pebi wo so na ubedi asase no so enepa. Na yokuada Mesrawa Saudi wa fidi anya to hadia. Already no mamo akwaba. Bishop Yaw Owusu-Ansah. Metia si nyina na onyame adom ene Awurade ahomobro. Sia na mene mabusuanfo bi bompai. Ena ye be pon na meka kire o se uhyira me a onyame be hyira wo dom me nsoso a onyame be dom me. Genesis chapter 12. Sana nyame kan. Mene uhyia na wo dom me a onyame dom me o. Uhyira me nsoso a onyame uhyira o. Kan sempa fa me ho a onyame be kan sempa fa o. Kan sem bone fa me ho a onyame be kan sem bone e dia fa o. Nyame na me twere yo Genesis chapter 12. Tu imbra na ma kire baby na esie. Good morning. Sing it. Celestine one wabusua monka frase kromfo ne namoa abeto hye mo so ewiamo. Ya won de bia modru bia Celestine donko one wabusua no kofi donko Rade nyame no ano onko so na monema mu wiaye ne nyina na wo manwia mo body. And as long as you are still alive, na se nyame ya adom no wo mantumi ambo mutuo na mote asede a betumi ahye mu nkran se ene da so papa bi wo ho. MPA omukuni ono de okọ ono de okọ amomo tia CD amenhye mo nkran se mo betumi enya enema no more than the moluso. Good morning, great people, good people, great family. And I ukuada and I one birthday can I know 0509 15 10 10 in person any monitor to black so the audio fire juma. God bless you. They can carry me to the seminar, and no can no. Where any more ye clear. Are you also the any more ye clear? Phone be on my say, any more no brightness, and I say, enya or how, and young quasia. On Facebook, remember Kwaba. Na Jacob can say Major Abraham Nyankopon and Major Isaac Nyankopon Euradia was see me say Sane ko wasase so ene wabusuam na me ye wiye Erade mfreye ngwe ene mu ase Erade mfreye ngwe ene mu ase the frere was say me ye wiye Say na Erade ayo yi akwa akodru even Erade do adru enano pay ene menche Erade freye every don to brobim from the desert land, from the poverty land, from the shameful land, and he decided to bless them. Erade freye now your coincidence or your gentry or your cromfo. said the Otibia or Frewa, Bakasabra, Naminyo. From beginning of the year, Ebe Pema and it's when you say Radiwayo Yana. A Radin Freya in we and Nimoa say, or Freya Nawaye ye. Elijah Bismarck, good morning. Barcelona to say, Elijah, they are sure to be fine. Na Jacob ka say there be one so be kasa Abraham Nyankopon Major Isaac Nyankopon Shani dia Jacob the kasa or the kasa was na Jacob kasa Major Nyankopon one friend Nyankopon keke Major Nyankopon Major Nyankopon Major Nyankopon Major Isaac Nyankopon Major Abraham Nyankopon. Why no papa? And what is the God of your father? And what is the God of your grandfather? And what is the God of your real father? And what is the God of Yaw Owusu-Ansah? Jesus is possible. Say nyameno oshira onome yai. Na Abraham Nyankopon and Isaac Nyankopon. Eradi a wo se me say Sane ko asasi a me Eradi me kire wono so na me ye oyi. Ene okuya da Eradi be ye obi ye. Eradi be ye obi ye. Eradi be ye obi ye. Eradi be ye obi abrabo ye. Eradi be ye obi adwuma ye. Eradi be ye obi awade ye. Ene okuya da se de tie bi Eradi be ye obi ye. Eradi be ye obi ye. Eradi be ye obi ye. Eradi di ye enenam empotamo enkurase all the 16 regions. Eradi edi ye yo enenam honom. Eradi di ye yo enenam enkurana se the countries upon countries and upon countries and upon countries where you are listening and watching me. Eradi edi ye yo. Eradi be yo ye. Amen sure boss Eradi di ye yo. Eradi di ye yo parcel bi enam. Eradi di ye yo parcel bi nam. Any pepe obone by Eradi di ye yo parcel bi nam. Any pepe when him guasie by Eradi the parcel bi a eya warepa adwuma pa enkoso impuntio enkwanimu. So be can say yeah, also be kind the same scripture. Na me repeat it, na me be. All scriptures came by inspiration. Now Jacob can say, Major Abraham, how do you value your father's God? Is your father's God your God? I say, what Janum Nyankopon or your nyame? And now when you nyame fufrobi. When you nyame fufrobi, I catch them. Na a Jacob can say Major Abraham Nyankopon. Onu na hu mobro na ayamesa. Anopa ukuya dey so be say waje Nyankopon wo hu moba ene ukuya da. Da bia wo bia obetimi ama wonne so. Say Erade yemi yie. Erade yemi yie. Josephine Auntie Josephine ya yankasa. Ya sure said New York BBI Washington BBI fan. Ura hoye ene abusiana. Who is the God of your father? Do you recognize the God of your father? Oh yes. The God of your father. Waja ubu papa na ubu ni Nyankopon wa opai mu ka wa bra won fere wono do o se say Urade no o se me so me se so say nyame no ne na ma okasa he He's not dumb. Okasa. Ose na Abraham nyankopon na Isaac nyankopon e ka kire men so me se. Aha. Ote sa asem ni. O ka kire men so me se. Obeye me ye. Onye me yawa. Obeye me ye. Obeye me ye. Sa nyamene so obeye me ye. Minimum condition. Minimum asetuna wonem. Minimum adwuma wo ye. Minimum baabi awo. Minimum de wo fam. Ya obosumi a etoso eye edumo. Ne da etoso aduo no baako. Minimum ne ma sania ABT ofa. Ebia wura ho. Ebia wusu. Ebia wu twa adwo. Ebia wu kuna ye wade. Ebia wo yira ye wade. Ebia wo namfo. Ebia mo ke kansem boni bi fa ho. But God will do you good. God will do you good. This Wednesday, God will do you good. I don't know how the goodness of the Lord will appear in your life, but He will do you good. Oh, God will do somebody good. Am I hearing a big amen somewhere? God will do you good. What you throw to Him, God will do you good. What you text Him, God will do you good. Who on Facebook, God will do you good. Who on YouTube, God will do you good. No demon, no principality, no powers, no witchcraft, no wizard. When I say Ansana Jacob Kasa Semweno, Ninyan Kupon Amene Uno Senia, Wanua ne wafa. And then wafama kansembone. Check it, chapter 31. And oti la by a mambari man ensem I will kind of say Jacob afadi a ye yen ejadie nyina. And enona odi enya ejapadie nyina. When yan ho they were talking evil. One more kansembone efa brante wano ho. Be me ho owura yi ho wasom emfie pare aduonu edigeniba osom loyally. Do you become poor? Osom sa free wakuma wenyina somwa. Do you become poor? But when sema no mo kafa no chapter 31 na Jacob what dia wo mo kano ya de o kan nyese yente o nyese yente to brebia o yete se de o pema sem na o kan sem a mete o mete de o ka fa me ba ho de o ka fa me nua ho de o ka fa me adwuma ho de o ka fa me kasa ho me gina ha na me kasa de o ka nyina. You see, human beings are very deceptive na ada we mu na wa mo keka no anu mo dwen se enya de Jacob bete ebinya bre betumi aka ho nsem sa so power sa abre wasesa ama te se de wo wiase wo ba ya de wo de wo nsem fata de pa ba ya ma me hapo ya ba se nyame be ye yie en wote de la ban mano eye de na Laban ma kasa na papa Laban so no ohinifa a bad leaders, a bad fathers, a bad in-laws. A jago wofia enkwade ka mususam na papa ya kana no atum ye kana kan wefoa papa bia wo ma na be kire wusu ene wo ban odi kanfo bia wo ma mudi wachi na be kire wusu ene wo ban. What are some of the things ebema wachidifo wo ma wasinimo ma wo be portray e wo wiase ya wo enema wo be ye no ene be kire wo ajakora wo ye abusua panyina wo ye maame kora wo ye manager kora wo ye chief executive wo ye. Those people under you wo mo wase no niema wo be ye ebede di se woni wo mu hia kokoa mu a eniema wo ka kire wo mu kokoa mu enti papa Laban mai en wo ma sebre wo ma no en wo se ye ntwa mo Jacob na adan Jacob e kronfo tie de wo kan no merema no e kan se Jacob afade eyeyen ejade nyina. Kese Jacob ye kronfo. Nipa ye dwuma for 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. People are expecting you to become continuous poor. Then you can hear Juma day. Yeah, Juma day day. Yanom. Nipa ye Juma, hard working people, diligence pays. In see aye de ye Juma. O prono wansa in see Obi a hard working person as a se a dane wedi ewo ni income mu na brantie ye na ono an nkonta ahyase ye kasa won se ne nansen watu ani esi wo bi so wotini din na wo kasa wotini din na wo twere wotini din na wo bodua wotini din na bibia ba bia nyamedi nipa ne besi bia eye problem ma ba bia nyamedi nipa ne besi bia eye problem ma Facebook for obi de ato e de atwere twi na ote la ban emambere manansema waka ye no se Jacob afa de yeye gyanyina to brebia obi betimi atwa asema to so abeka amana ete se de ye no kore na saafo no so mo kasa mo mene ntasio wo mo mene ntasio ejeje so kasa na wanya sympathizers asa de waka na ye no kore pa eno waka no ye nani muzu zobodwi ejese asa de waka na ye no kore yanka bi nto so da ho uhunu bi da ho uhunu bi da ho yetibi ka semwa na nkrofo a wo meeting na se nyina obi akroso ne nan ne ye de yensa nyina ne point all fingers on you what when why you say ya the way to her ya the way wura ha and now na fire and na say me will let be me phone you so lady be your adwuma company bim why a doctor or marry why was she dia wa bonny na ya na a doctor or company one of the big companies in this country and your political in a denico was she dia e wa na man letter Chinchina could leave when you Chinchina won't could leave by force. Chinchina won't could leave my dang at Nazami I may leave was yes a Chinchina could leave because baby a senior James a one war with the information na kwa bantel e be a semini we are see her. And nipa betimi de nani ese wo so aka wonsema chief executive beka manager beka coordinator beka wan beka enkwada wiesua bi eba office a no mo de wani mu etwetwe fom la ban ne mba e de Jacob ani mu twetwe fom me ne wo kasai wo bi tenisuo se ye Adom Ahengua wo beka se onim de me fam ensem ye twa to me so e wo ma ware fie e wo madwumam e wo me office ensem ye twa to me so ese obi di esu yi ato ho ai men so but you ye betimi atwa asema to so wo kunu de wo nya ye kura wo so waye de wo yiri wo nya ye wo so waye de wo colleague bi wonen na ko wonen na didie e na wo ka usuma mu asem okukuwa mu asem you tell your secret things to that person and look at what that person has done in your life. Ofrata, abitwaso.
Ambajo medase. Se na woka no na woka se nipa bia se wo ye adwuma ehia yi se ense sampa. No kwa se utumi koso atrase se de na wo ho no a dada. Obia no ebra wo ye adwuma na wo so ko anim. Enu kwa se yehunu se ase wo da so wo wachi. Enti se wo hwe se de labor ne ma no esika nyese bia kwa mbone sukura nso na we Jacob kokofa papa niamo wafa kwa mbone so eye agreement bi na woni opa ne ye woni opa ne ye so fa we ya meso mefa we enwa no so wono so na wo mo wo a de Jacob kan no wo mo wo at the end of the day ne bi din nisem na fi wo magwa ko gina baabi ka se Jacob afaye papa enhira nyina na papa no kura so ba no ba Jacob papa na nim se na nim kura so nte na nim aye osi na nim nte
me hwa papa no kura me hwe ne mba no enkwada ye warm on se to brebi ewura baby ne se enkrofo bi na wo kasa anyhow. You look at how you have invested in them. Your time. Wo bra wanyama sankrofo no. Ete sa asori ma. Wo bra asori ba ho an wo kina. Asori ba epija ne nsa. Ede ne nsa kire wo hwene so a wanye careful obe curse nipa no. Wanye careful. And that is the experience that Jacob ukonyaye.
Is a Jacob cry papa ko fi ho na nkwada nkra ne yanwo.
Wo mo yanwo wonom. Sukodoma
akwa tram ya wo nyina ma sabi kwan bi so no
enkura ye toilet enkura ye dware ne enkura ye nyini ama sankwada we etimi efura ba begina Jacob abatri
enya kwan se wo kasa wona
mo sisters empanyifuo ekunu apart from everything mo sisters empanyifuo ekunu
o man fere se o modi nanim betwitwi fom
enkura ni nsade enkura wo mani atra enton
baba se nkwada mum pa de se de wo ka no se nkwada no tumi ye bibisa na je se papa na amakwan
na papa Laban na wo we
amakwan no mo ye sade
na Mrs. Laban na wo he ne fa
tumi abase ade ani nkomo
enkwada yi kan sembone e twa atro hwe wo mu twa atro no mu twa wo e no mo di say the reputation, the integrity, the hard work, the hard work.
So, Nidim Pano almost said,
yo,
said the one you
will be set at Tanishu image. Ya, we are see her. Will be bet to me. I can some to say your ho and near this came out. Obi to me, some ya, Obi to me, ya. And that is what they were doing to Jacob. Wajia ye papa niema wajia papa ni monyam baby wo kan kura se na ni monyam kura mpo no Jacob wasanje wajia papa ni monyam waji ni nwan waji ni mrekire waji ni nantwie ne fans nyina waji
ni monyam so asa ba ji aka ho
Kasa.
On say, "Uhwe enkwara no mu kasa ne se de wo mu si kakwa." Akwa say, some kusi some
be Facebook for it. You be say, asem na wo ka no.
Baba bi to me cancel ya to e be sisu say, asem na wo ka no and kura pa na wo ka.
Higher radios into yan cancel.
Some be sisu.
Wo bi beti ba me bi no onkasa me ho na me say I'm catching it when the enemy say me so ma me nkasa me ho achewo I was very young no say show ma bia wonkasa me ho na ne buafu na okobisa no na o ma me say asumesi be ka kire me say ni na odi an o kan no ja e be pim ni na bi hu na ma sere wo betiri onim se menim hwe nipa betimi a fabricate
kansem
wakasem ebi esisi so jing and atese se wa nwini ankwa etiri se wonye wo bia wo ye badwema
ba wona mo a wo de wadwene mu fan
osofo
woni nipa ni asem no se na wo de wo wadwen bi ene asem bi tiawo de wati nti ja kan fa ho nti
ja atese se wo bia kan asem afa ho a obi misa mu wo bi hwehwe mu na wakana sa o kato wanso no wo amokura na no mu tie na misa hwe o etubo nso nam ho nyina kromfo na eba no ma pefo na eba no wi num ni no na eba no atutubotom ni na eba no wonnim ne enkrofo aka fa ho sister brother wo bi kaso obeware kura adanse a ye bedia fa ho nyina ye negative
se ewura we na kwa no
so obi ma wadwuma na ensemu enkrofo beka pa no also for jai
ewura we na wa hu
efie we na wo kom achim na wo ko asantememu na wo ko voter na wo ko enzima na wo ko efante na wonte dia wo ho edie na wo keka fa nkrofo ho edie na wo keka nkrofo wonim so ama obi akode prison won so ya ama obi awade agu wonim so ama yi obi adi wonim so ya ama obi ya dimoto obi osofo me kasa ya dimoto obi me wo letter wa hanom me say ya ma obi letter say onko leave wa ye twuma for so many years yenchirem na oni ya the din social say ya chief executive of one of the big menka wonu me kura menka but teze wa twere na be me nwanwa se sa panyin din na shaase
ade a wuzu nia dance bia say asem o muka no no
investigate, ask the person, allow the person one so nka de ewom ne ndipa no wakane traya yo wakasa wase nipa no kofie. There is a next step, and so oba ni yakasa fe yehia wa adwuma ma bio. Why do you do that? Ade na wo yesa
about say nipa no bi tumi ka obi ho se ma nipa no nya tan e tan pa ma onya obi yi wafi ho onya wa obi okro obekun ajo kwan fro nsem
hwe de me Spotify ye hwe de me Spotify ye Joseph hwe de me Spotify obi na no a boy we ya so penase se kedi wo sia me repu mi no hwe ma so be exaggerators
when me some ka
hey emani bi masa wudi wo ema bebre achi a wan hwi a obopo wo maku won
obefisi obesi ekura akosi ba bi se
akura dia wan ye wa hanne akura wei se wan pobo na frifia ha we ye be ma ya nyamotre because wan ye careful the oba ne be kan
bi asem kasa akura
wo ba ya pamo maame wo maame kura obesra obepam no obepam maame wo bepam wo papa wo ma wo papa sika da because of the baby beka. Some women are very good in exaggerations. Kaka nim no akana kakraka kana sa wia wo be so ko dem house makan gunu so na si ya no de nam dem ho makan gunu so eno na Potify keke mu yesa asuma ya kan wa hia bi dana ebi ato dana wa hunu bi dana wa keke bi agu obi so ana. Can I hear your talk on that? Adom 106.3. Don't forget it from Kwesiada and yes started next dimension.
So be careful how you treat. There is time for everything. And so is there time for everybody.
Obi actually Bibi was in my school. Someone was changing my results, so I was hated in my school, and I was tagged with name because of that person. Look at that, Inshra Kafra, Inshra Ajiman, Inshra Kafra. Was the sound results changing your results? Okokaya nefin yedidia toso. Unye dwamanfu. Onye kromfo na light ye me ho sa asia so
generator
ni nyina betumi aka ho ni nyina betumi aka ni nyina
time for everything.
Aba we mutumi ya to sense edimi grada so grada wusro because you brand you mutu a certain names
ya de bibia tetaro ya brando ade ne ya tetaro. Yes, we are prostitute. Yes, we are cromfo. Yes, we are nyenyenyenye. Yes, the name Shadi. Kopim say be obey close to that person. Who say o ahobrase yes ada. Who sada. Ya ko meeting akase na ya cross ye nan ya kansem a ennim a kire mpanyifo. Na mpanyifo no bi won so a wo mu ni adwene a ya de tie. No ma take hasty decisions. Abusia and ya do sika me be me phone line about me time and call. Me dem so what me try a support to ambulance project no dia. Me dem so what me a support to dia. And say what me a support to anyame nhira. Me wie next by mention afi me hwe ba bia ye dru na because they say my very very hot. And ukuya dey ye bompai into obetimi a join ye. But from Sunday anopa any area next dimension ya shall see pepe. You can join us. I will dance my father's house, and we'll be talking about home then. What join in? We'll be say and then a birthday, and I'm checking her there. Okay, whose birthday? All right. Okay. God bless you. Happy birthday to Prophet Dan of Priest Word International Church. Patrick Cody, Belinda Anno, Olivia Tete, Mabel Wesley, Daniel Nat, Abuso Kaim, Belinda. Makachos is Dino, your doubler, you take it off. All right. Okay. So ambulance and so 0244710311. 0244710311. What Germany now person one so bit my PayPal Evelina J 1 Evelina J1 at yahoo.de. Yes, somebody told my auntie that I am sleeping with my auntie's husband. Oh, Papa, this killed my soul. Grace Kafra. As of what? What here? Will be catching any auntie say. Onini kunoda.
Nini auntie kunoda.
Onini na auntie kunoda. No be a canasa or say ikumi sum. Jai. Messi. Ah. Ajuba with the emun 7 there. Hey. What me tia semi no say what's one kan wo bi betimi aba obi ho so fu so ansa say me magi yimbre no na nipa na frɛ wasoma obi ho me ho be say me dabi me soma obi esoma si bi wo se wo ye wo prayer we so ye wo driver be say me ni driver me pa chow na me pa chow. Ya uti bibia ya tobo na labai nemba labai emma kan ya ma papa no so oba na nanim dua nyina asesa etobere bi azofo uhunu obi anim dua a kire adwembone adwene bone show be anim dua keke anim dua the face the countenance which means any bay adwene pa wonimu no enye. Hello, good morning. May you very sure so we share bibi na what the be adesua na what the abobra. But I say 25 years what TM nyame adoma kwasiada. I'm thanking God with some of you are moving to me are joining me or my father's house dance man. Namada ngoma bia nyame dia dom na matwere de aba bontene. We talks about shebi bias na shasi ya kete ubetumi awada yo son kakraka ba shasi ya kete like an atom like a petite uri shasi ya kete na imo shasi ya kete you are dreaming for the big shasi ya kete webi na nso so dwene se ketu na wa shasi ya na kese ewe animo. Well, good morning. Thank you very much for your time. Ubetumi amiyeshia ewo my father's house and then I pay wa braye bompa.
So be careful how you treat others.
Can you give me the yawa?
For very
yes. God will not do you yawa.
Highly spiritual.
I call on you, Chikenu, always there for me, Lord, you are good. I call on you, Chikenu, always there for me, Lord, you are good. Yawa, you no go do me, yawa. Yawa, you no go do me, yawa, Lord, you said in Isaiah, you never sleep, you know the tire. Lord, it's you that I desire. Anything you do, you know fi play. Yeah. You no go do me, yeah. You no go do me, yeah. No, yeah. You no go do me, yeah. No, yeah. You no go do me, yeah. And there are times that I feel lonely, yeah. And there's no one to help, no one to hold me, yeah. that you're faithful to the end, Lord. So you answer when I pray. You no go do me, you no go do me, no, you no go do me, you no go do me, I put my trust in you, not to lotto. Faith is what drives me, not to motto. I praise you, God, I bow. I go to anything that you want, I take it from my bottom. Put my trust in you, not to lotto. Faith is what drives me, not to motto. I praise you, God, I bow. I go to anything that you want, I take it from my bottom. You know if you give up on me, oh yeah, oh yeah, Sanu many na ya me fekeke. You know if you give up on me, oh yeah, Yawa, you know go do me, Yawa, you know go do me, Yawa, no, Yawa, you know go do me, no, Yawa, you know go do me, Yawa, Yawa, you know go do me, Yawa. Yawa, you no go do me, yawa, no, yawa, you no go do me, yawa, yawa, you no go do me, yawa, Put my trust in you, not to lotto. Faith is what drives me, not to motto. Praise you, God, I bow. I go to. Put my trust in you, not to lotto. Faith is what drives me, not to motto. Praise you, God, I bow. I go to. Yawa.